dynamic verification software that includes exact environments for all machines, tools, and materials. Where most CAM softwares offer simulation of a toolpath, NC Simul offers a true G-code simulation for the CNC controller. This shows safety movements between operations, including 5-axis. In addition to optimizing the toolpath, or optimization, working by loading within the toolpath stock, material, part data into NC Simul, and analyzing the tool engagement within stock. Parameters set within NC Simul will allow users to manipulate the feeds and speeds of the tool when the cutting is in and out of the stock material. With the previous slide, along with this slide, we're representing 2 of our top 5 topics, such as toolpath optimization and machine integration. So we're going to showcase a quick video showcasing NC Simul. So this is a true simulation software, true G-code software that shows exact movements at the machine. Within this module, we can also show different filters. So we can run 2 different filters at one time, showing just the fixture, the part, and the tool, or we can show the entire machine housing and see the exact movements for that entire machine housing. And you can see the exact movements of both of these. This eliminates costly crashes as it's an accurate simulation software that allows you to basically simulate all the processes. So if there's any crashes in the software, you make the needed adjustments, obviously preventing crashes at the machine itself. So this is an accurate G-code reading machine, and you can see exact movements that you would see at the machine itself. We can avoid any tolerance deviations, so we're just going to run a quick movement of this part, and this is actually going to showcase where there could be gouges. So when I'm looking at this, I can actually go ahead and pause it and see exactly where I could have any kind of issues or any kind of collisions. We can filter through, zoom in, zoom out, and filter through different things so you can see where you could possibly run into any kind of gouging. Like real toolpath movements, NC Simul allows you to be able to do your tool changes, create a touch off, make tool swaps, and so on. So this allows you to make any kind of tool changes, and it simulates real movements at the actual CNC cutting machine. So additionally, here's just another machine as an example. You can see how doors open and close. You can see how it's actually going to be doing some probe touch-offs for this actual part. And you can also see any kind of XY movements. You can see exact movements at the machine. So now we're going to do another tool change. And then you can see here's where our touch-off is actually going to load in as well automatically. So you can see here's our touch-off, and you can see how it's showcasing exact movements. And then for this area, we're going to go ahead and do some touch-off probing. So you can see how we have multiple parts, and it's probing multiple parts. This supports many different types of machines, such as a tombstone style machine like this one right here. You can see how it's doing all of your touch-offs.